want to remember the first time when you first told me how much you loved me. Where in the hell is that damn TV repairman?
It's Saturday night, 8 p.m.
So
you know, I know they don't do house calls on weekends.
Crap of bullshit I've heard. I'll be on call 6 days a week, just like Bell's mom.
What do you know about bail bondsmen?
Well, I know enough to know that I might be needing one for this night's over.
Well, I guess I better get the deed to the house ready in case I have to bail your simple butt out of jail tomorrow in time for church. What? Quit chomping on that damn thing and light it.
Why don't you light it for me?
It's not between my two lips.
That's the point, ain't it?
What's the point around it?
That is between my two lips, not yours.
The only point I see around here, Hank, is the top of your head.
Let me tell you something. You know, I quit smoking more than a long time ago, and if I light this cigarette up, I fall back into a deadly addiction, now, don't I?
You haven't quit smoking, let me just quit lighting them.
Well, there's a huge difference.
Look.
You're just too stupid to see it.
What did you just call me?
I said that there's more than 3 people in this room, and you're not one of them.
Well, that's fine. Just don't ever call me stupid.
So when you gonna buy that new thing you were thinking about buying?
What new thing?
That new thing that you were thinking about buying.
Describe the new thing.
You described the damn thing. You the one thinking about buying it.
I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
The new thing that you saw on television and you were thinking about buying it.
What new thing?
Oh, God, forget it. God almighty. Don't buy it. I don't give a rat's ass.
Well, I don't give a rat's ass either, and I'm not going to buy something I'm thinking about buying unless it's supposed I'll be thinking about what I'm supposed to be thinking about buying.
Well, that's good. We already got more things around here than we need anyway.
We only have one thing around here that we don't need.
Yeah? What's that?
That's for me to know and you to find out.
Well, that's good.
Yeah?
That's good.
So did you have that talk you said you were going to have?
What talk?
The talk you said you were going to have.
What talking was this?
The talk you said you were going to have. That talk. And whoever it was, you said you was going to be talking to that talk.
That depends on whoever it is that you're talking about that I was going to be talking to.
How many whoever's we going to be talking to lately?
Why? Is there a limit to how many whoever's I'm supposed to be talking to?
No. just didn't know you were a person that had that many whoever's they could be talking with.
Well, that's because most of the whoever's that I do talk to are the particular person that I was going to be talking to that you said I was going to be talking to. Well, a real man doesn't talk about the talks he has after he's already talked.
A real man, huh? Well, Hank, I guess I learned something new about you every 17 years or so.
Well, maybe you ought to wake up more than once every 17 years then.
Why would I wake up and for what?
So maybe you would learn something, Howard.
Well, I've learned something, Hank. I've learned that one dose of reality around here every 17 years is about all I can take.
Oh, by the way, that friend of yours told me to tell you hello.
Which friend?
One I ran into at the store a couple of days ago.
A couple of days ago. Which friend was it?
The one I ran into at the store a couple of days ago.
Which store was it?
God, I don't know which store. God almighty, you've been in one store, you've been in them all.
Was it a she friend or a he friend?
I didn't know you had any he friends.
Well, maybe you ought to be the one that wakes up more than once every 17 years.
What the hell is that supposed to mean?
That's for me to know, you to find out. So, it was not a he friend, right?
Hell no.
So it was a she friend. So what did the she friend look like?
You look like a she friend who goes to the store is what you look like.
Do me a favor, Hank.
What?
If you run into the she friend of mine, be sure and give her hello back from me.
Give her hello yourself, she's your she friend.
Believe me, if she sent me a hello through you and wasted her time doing that, she was no true she friend of mine. So did you finish the yard work yet?
Out back or front?
I thought you finished the yard work out back.
Most of it.
And the yard work out front.
Most of it?
So you didn't finish the yard work out front or back?
Most of it.
Front or back?
Are you insinuating that there's one is more important than the other?
What I'm insinuating is you're a lazy asshole.
What the hell did you just call me? What?
I said there's 3 assholes in this room. I have one, you have one, and you are one.
Well, that's better. That's a lot better. Damn it, just don't ever call me lazy. I remember when we used to do the yard work together.
What?
Nothing. I was talking to myself.
Oh, so you finally found someone you'd like to communicate with.
Well, who in the hell would want to communicate with you?
You might be surprised.
What the hell is that supposed to mean?
Were you talking to me or are you talking to yourself again?
What I'm doing is getting really pissed off.
Well, that's new.
You know, you're making me want to light up this goddamn cigarette.
Light it up. Just make sure that your life insurance premium is paid up so I can lower your nicotine-colored butt down in the ground in something besides a cardboard box.
You think that all them candies, sugar in them candies, and all that damn beauty paraphernalia you use can't kill you? God, I wish beauty was skin deep and sugar was spice.
I've told you this is not beauty paraphernalia. This is an electric nail file. this is eye rejuvenation. These candies, the only sweetness around here. And by God, I'm gonna look as good as I can while I'm eating them.
Fine. Go ahead and rot your teeth and pretend to be a beauty queen. I'll outlive you by 20 years.
Gotta keep chomping on them cancer sticks.
Well, why the hell don't you take a medical exam and become a doctor?
What I should do is go to a doctor and have my head examined.
How in the hell do you examine something that ain't there?
I'm here, Hank. You just forgot. We both forgot.
What was that?
Nothing.
No. No, no. Remember when we used to whisper sweet nothing in our ear?
What?
I was just talking.
Yes, I know you were just talking. Why don't you say something?
Well, you know what?
What?
If I was to shut up,
I didn't ask you to shut up, but I will. Shut up.
if I was to shut up, you'd be the loneliest man on this planet.
Well, Hank, you called me a man. I didn't notice that you still noticed little details like that. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for the damn TV guy.
Well, the damn TV guide what do you need it for? TV's broke. You broke it last night. Remember in one of your hissy fits, remember?
You don't think I remember how I got these scratches on my new boots come from?
A pair of whiskey sours and a 6-pack of Bud is where they came from. And kicking Dick Cheney in the face when he's on television speaking is about as smart as moving the fart at the vote.
Well,
Oh, jeez.
I think that a man ought to be able to drink once in a while. Helps him to forget when he lost that feeling of where he used to be or what he was doing.
Yes, and his partner ought to be 18, tight-skinned, and smell good forever.
What the damn hell does that have to do with a man drinking?
That's where you left off feeling and dreaming, wasn't it?
Hell no. That ain't where I left off dreaming. I left off dreaming when I woke up with a ball and chain around my ankle and couldn't find a damn hacksaw.
Well, there's a saw out in the garage. Be sure to leave the ball and chain when you go. A good ball and chain is a lot harder to find than a sorry-ass man. Where you go? Where you going?
I'm going to get me a drink of tap water.
Maybe I want some.
Jesus, Joseph, Mary, and the cross. Can't a man go get himself a drink of tap water without making a big announcement about it first? God almighty! Well, I forget it. I lost my desire. God, whatever happened to desire?
What are you saying?
Nothing. I was talking to myself. What I was saying, I don't know what the hell I'm saying.
mad. Well, you got me mad too. We're both mad. You're mad and I'm mad. Whoa!
You're mad. Well, goddamn, you're as mad as a goddamn mad hare. Whatever it is.
I'm not mad, Hank. I'm not mad.
You're not?
No. I'm pissed off.
Well, that makes me happy as hell. When you're pissed off, it means that I should be happy. Which I am. Oh, God. Where in the hell did we leave off?
We just scratched up boots.
Well,
Left off.
you don't think that I remember?
Oh, don't tell me this again.
I am going to!
Oh, shit.
Where I got these scratched up boots from? No. That's just the way it is. I thought about it a lot. Where you going? Where you going?
Going to the bedroom to get some more magazines.
Well, maybe I want something to read.
Well, fine, Hank. Fine. Would you like a Better Homes and Gardens or the latest copy of O?
What I'd like is that goddamn TV repairman to get his ass over here, because that son of a bitch knows we're suffering.
He doesn't do repairs or house calls on the weekend. He'll be here Monday between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m.
Well, it better be closer to 8 a.m. than 5, and that's all I gotta say.
That's all you gotta say. Won't you shut the hell up?
Oh, shut the hell up when I'm damn good and ready.
Oh, let me tell you something, Hank. You've never been ready, and you sure as hell have never been good.
Well, that ain't what you said on our wedding night.
A cheap bottle of champagne makes a guy forget what he's doing and who he's doing it with.
You forgot, all right. You forgot all night long and into the middle of the next day.
I had to do something to keep you from singing. They were going to kick us out of the room.
I remember you singing too, I remember.
That's right. And I ain't sang a damn note since. This was not with you.
Well, I was thinking.
Why don't you just light the damn thing up? Why don't you light the damn thing up? You know what? Because I wouldn't mind seeing some spark around here.
Spark?
Spark!
Spark? You want spark, you little hussy? I'll give you some spark.
Bob Peterson, your foreman at work. He was the one you were going to have the talk with.
Betty Simpson. She was a she friend I ran into at the store and told me to tell you hello.
That thing I saw on television,
I was gonna buy was one of those new 3-speed wind tunnel vacuum cleaners, self-cleaning.
You know, I finished the work out back. I thought I'd finish the front tomorrow after church.
Could it be that it's over?
How can it be true?
I feel like I left, but it's here that I stay.
I feel so alone, but it's here that I stay.
Love is forever. We took the vow. Love is forever. What happens now? How can it be over? How can we be through? We've lost what we once had. Now what can we do?
You know, I think we could use one of those new wind-blown 3-speed vacuum cleaners around here.
I wouldn't mind helping with the yard work. I used to love raking leaves. I want to remember.
To remember the first time
When you first told me,
how much you loved me.
I want to remember.
Remember the first time.
How could we forget?
Forget.